Good morning, Johan.
Good morning, Uncle. The train's late this morning.
No wonder, with all this snow.
Peter, what's wrong?
I was getting some wood for the fire, and I saw Hans. There's been a telegram.
Huh?
The train won't come. It's stuck between here and Spiegelheim. My cash register!
But Grandmother's medicine.
Don't worry, Heidi. I'll get it.
Be careful, Grandfather!
He's crazy! He'll never make it!
He'll make it. You know how strong he is, and he'll bring Grandmother's medicine back.
There you are. I'm freezing. Would you believe it, Bobble? It's the day I'm supposed to receive my new cash register, and the train is stuck and won't reach Dörfli.
Oh, that's so lovely, Alda.
Isn't it?
But isn't it the uncle's wife's?
Indeed it is.
How did you get it?
Payment. For Brigitte's mother's medicine. She's quite sick. Poor old lady.
And you got that for payment, for medicine?
Well, they couldn't really afford it otherwise.
Oh, you could have let Brigitte pay by installments.
I wish I could have, Barbel. Of course. But you know, we've barely made ends meet lately. I cannot be that generous anymore.
We live in a small village, Alda. Helping each other is what we do.
Well, I'm not asking you to understand. But maybe you should mind your own business, Barbel.
Oh, I'll come back later.
She's right, oldie, you know.
Do you have something to say, Johan?